Let me show you how to do this eyeshadow. Skincare's done. I already primed and prepped my face with color corrector, and now we're going to basically fill in the eyes. Set my eyes with some loose translucent powder. This is going to help give a flawless base and allow the eyeshadow to blend better. We're going to lay down some Danessa Merrick's. This is in her shade Oasis. This is a beautiful pastel blue, and this is exactly the look I want for the eyelid. So I'm basically just going to tap some into the brush and just tap it onto my hand. And then we're basically just going to slightly and slowly build up that pigment exactly where I want it. What a blue. This is a trust the process moment. Now I'm going to take my best white. This is definitely my best white, okay? And we are going to basically undertone. So basically kind of going in here and building up that pigment so it looks more like an ombre. Make sure to do it on the arch as well and directly in the middle. Now we're going to take this beautiful dark blue and strategically place it. Basically going to go right here in almost like a V shape. But basically build this up, especially over top of that light blue. Take the other side of the brush and just kind of blend that in very nicely. And keep going till it's nicely blended. We're just going to put a little bit strategically right here. I brought it in just a little bit more. Now I'm going to dip into like this gorgeous blue right here and basically just put it in the middle. So like, just like that, to really build up the pigment in the middle. Now we're going to dip into this gorgeous blue right here and kind of go in between the white and the blue. That way it transitions better. Now we're going to take some Fenty highlighter and basically just put it like right here. All right, we're getting crazy with this look. Red is going to be the eyeliner and basically the highlights of this look. So it's going to get intense. An angled brush, and now I'm going to do some eyeliner, so I'm not going to speak. Or do the bad eye first, always. Eyeliner got crazy on this side, so I'm going to use some baby wipes and basically make it nice and straight. This is a great trick. You just use lip gloss or something, and you can go really straight. I'm going to put some just right on the inner corner here, so basically going like this. I'm also going to press that red into the waterline. Now I'm going to connect the eyeliners. Really just pressing in the pigment. Take a nail art pen and dip it in, and we're basically just going to make a few little dots right here. I think we're going to do 3. Also going to do 3 dots right here. I'm going to do one more red accent with this brush, basically going right here. I'm literally sweating. All right, guys, I'm going to do some finishing touches and show you the final result. And this is the final look. What do we think? I'm absolutely in love with this look. You guys need to go check out the transitions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye!